We're a 25-year-old company based in Pune, and we've been coming for this exhibition every year from the time its inception. We are members of IPEMA, and we come for this exhibition every year. The exhibition allows us to meet a vast variety of people from all over India who come for this show. And it has been a great advantage to us. We get a lot of new customers coming in every year, and this show is definitely a very good platform for us to showcase our machinery. And because of this, we even get a lot of foreign orders. People from abroad come here for this show nowadays, and we have been getting a lot of inquiries from abroad. We do export a lot of machinery already, but this forum does help us in getting more business. I'm very happy for that IPMA has this event every year, and we will always be here. We go to the other states and we try to talk to people directly, but the foreigners, we definitely go and meet them in their countries. They come and meet us, we go and meet them there. We have already, we are selling machines all over the world. In Africa, in Nigeria, I have 6 plants. In Middle East, I have got 4 plants. In Sri Lanka, I've got 2 plants. Nepal, I have 3 plants. So we are all over. We've got in Hyderabad, Sneha Farms as our plant, and we are hoping to make a bigger plant for them also. We are in the process of talking to them. So we are one of the pioneers in chicken processing in India. We are about next year will be 25 years that we are in this business. Poultry, as far as I am concerned, is going to be the only meat we will be eating in the next 10 years. Because all the other meats are getting so expensive that it is not able to, for the normal man to eat like mutton and beef. So I do believe that in the next 15 years, poultry is going to keep on increasing, and it will be the only meat which will be accessible to all the poor people in India. I do believe that is going to be the situation, because we do not have, and it's the fastest produced meat. It takes 40 days, and therefore it is a factory to produce meat. All the other meats like goat and sheep and buffaloes take 1 year minimum before they can be slaughtered. Chicken takes 40 days for this to happen. 10,000 square feet, 40 days, 20 tons of meat. You can't get a better equation than that. Poultry is going to be the meat of the future. Whether we like it or don't like it, it will be the meat of the future. Everywhere I go in the world, people are turning to poultry. There is no fish in the sea. There is very less of the big animals around. Even in Africa, everybody is turning towards poultry. So poultry is going to be the meat of the future. That is my firm belief. I may not be around to see it, but it's going to happen. I'm sure of it.